Respecting Kisan Morcha's decision, the Delhi police on Sunday said that it has allowed farmer unions to hold tractor rally on Republic Day inside the national capital. The officers added that this will be done under strict vigil as they had received intelligence inputs that hinted at disturbance of peaceful protest. 308 Twitter links were found that were linked to Pakistani handles. The areas decided have been pointed out in accordance with the foolproof security arrangements. Haryana police was also included in the discussion, Delhi police said, adding that the limit to the number of tractors will be finalized soon. Moving on to the next news, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray will not attend the farmers' protest in South Mumbai's Azad Maidan today, sources told News 18. However, the CM has sent a message to the protesters expressing his support. According to sources, NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar and Congress leader Balasaheb Thorat will attend the agitation and address protesters in the afternoon. Shiv Sena, meanwhile, will send a representative to the venue. In view of the COVID-19 situation and the protocols, Thackeray has conveyed to us that he won't be present at Azad Maidan during our Sabha, but he has conveyed his support for us. He will also send a Sena leader, a farmer leader, told CNN News 18. Thousands of farmers from across Maharashtra reached Mumbai on Sunday evening to participate in a rally at the state capital on Monday against the centre's 3 new farm laws. Police have stepped up security at Azad Maidan, the rally's venue, and personnel of State Reserve Police Force have also been deployed there. Drones will also be used to keep an eye on the event, a police official said. The All India Kisan Sabha's Maharashtra unit, in a statement, said around 15,000 farmers had set out for the state capital from Nashik on Saturday in several tempos and other vehicles. Moving on to the next news, the 9th round of India-China Corps Commander level talks over the Ladakh standoff, which began in Moldo at 11 am on Sunday, went on till about 2:30 am the next day, officials confirmed to CNN News 18. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will be briefed about the meeting on Monday morning, the officials said. The meeting took place at the peak of winter when sub-zero temperatures have forced both sides to reduce deployment. The core issues remain, but the winter has forced literal cooling down. So talks in that sense are happening on an improved backdrop, the officer said. Moving on to the next news, Bihar CM Nitish Kumar on Sunday hinted that he might be removed from office midway like Karpuri Thakur, as he has been working for the welfare and progress of all sections of the society like the veteran socialist leader. Karpuri Thakurji, as the CM, worked for the welfare of the sections of the society, but he was removed from the post within 2 years. We too are working in the interest of all sections of society. Sometimes some people get annoyed because of working in the interest of all sections of society, Nitish Kumar reportedly said while addressing an event as JDU office to commemorate Karpuri Thakur on his birth anniversary, a report in Times of India said. Moving on to the next news, President Joe Biden will announce he is reimposing a COVID-19 travel ban on most non-US citizens who have been in Britain, Brazil, Ireland and much of Europe, a White House official said on Sunday as the new administration ramps up its pandemic response. Biden will also extend the ban to travelers who have recently been to South Africa amid warnings that new, more transmissible coronavirus variants are already establishing themselves in the United States, the official said, confirming US media reports. Meanwhile, Israel on Sunday announced a week-long ban on the most incoming and outgoing flights in a bid to slow the spread of new variants of the novel coronavirus.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.